Hello friends, this is Arvind. In this video I am going to explain about indicators of economic development. Okay, indicators of economic development. So what do you mean by economic development? Economic development is the increment in the national income and progressive changes in the socio and economic structure of a country is called economic development. Okay, so now how can we measure economic development? Okay, there are the measures of economic development with respect to different indicators. Okay, one by one let's look at it. Let's look at into that. Okay, national income. National income is the one of the indicator which can be measure economic development. Okay, the higher level of national income is the index of higher level of economic development and vice versa. Okay, economic development, to measure economic development, the first measure of economic development is national income. Okay, how can we measure national income? So national income with respect to the final goods and services produced by with respect to population of a country is called national income. Okay, the higher national income is the index of higher level of economic development and vice versa. Okay, that's what one of the indicator of to measure the economic development. Let's look at into the per capita income. Okay, per capita income. Per capita income means the total national income by population is per capita income, means per head how much income is getting by the people. Okay, that's what per capita income. So per capita income is the one of the indicator of economic development, right? The increment in the per capita income of any country which shows the increment in the economic growth rate of the country, increment in the economic growth rate of the country, and rather than economic development. Okay, let's look at into the per capita income is one of the major economic measurement of the economic development. Yeah, let's look at into that. It includes the economic development includes changes in many spheres besides rise in the per capita income. Means when the per capita income is rises, it will increase all those aspects, whatever the socio-economic indicators can be rise up. Okay, through the per capita income. Okay, means there will be increment in the per capita income. Each and every individual can try to enhance their quality of life in the respect to all the whatever the health, education, all terms they try to enhance their investment and all, so that there may be improve the quality of standard of living. So that per capita income also one of the major measurement of indicator of economic development. Okay, major economic indicator of economic development. Yeah, let's look at into the real national income. Okay, what do you mean by real national income? Real national income is the increment in real national income is an important indicator of economic development, because the per capita income also depends upon national income, right? So first, the real national income means what? Real national income means the adjustment of inflation. The adjustment of inflation means the constant prices present goods and services calculated in the constant prices, so that there is a inflation adjustment, so that real national income is increases, the per capita income also increases. Okay, the national income is related final goods and services produced in a year. National income is related to final goods and services produced in a year. So according to this criteria, the state of continuous increment, in national income can taken as a economic development. Okay, the continuous increment in the national income can be taken as a economic development, right? So the real national income has to be continuously increases. Okay, when the national income is continuously increases, it is a possible to become economic development in the positive aspect, right? Let's look at into the physical quality of life index. Physical quality of life index developed by the David Morris, right? Physical quality of life index developed by Morris, and it is non-income indicator of economic development. Okay, physical quality of life index, one of the measurement of economic development. It is a non-income indicator of the economic development because it uses non-income indicators like life expectancy, infant mortality rate, and literacy rate. Okay, life expectancy, infant mortality rate, and literacy rate. Life expectancy means the average lifespan, of the person or people of the country. Okay, the average lifespan of the people. For example, in India, the average lifespan of the people of India, it's around 60 years. Okay, so this is one of the non-income indicator of the economic development. Okay, this factor can be taken to measure the physical quality of life index. It was developed by Morris, non-income indicator of economic development, because this uses physical quality as an indicator, right? So life expectancy, infant mortality rate, literacy rate, these three indicators, these three factors can be measured physical quality of life index. Infant mortality rate means what? Means the average, the 1000 live birth, how many childrens are going to die. So those people called under infant mortality rate. So the ratio of out of the live birth of the average live births, the how many children are going to die, those ratio is called infant mortality rate. Okay, and literacy rate, the average schooling ratio. Okay, the children or whoever participants who are Indians or the people of the country, how much children are going to school, those the percentage, the rate of schooling people is called literacy rate. How many people are being educated, those people called as literacy. Okay, who are able to read and write, those people comes under literacy or educated. So those are all three indicators can be measured physical quality of life index. Okay, let's look at into the physical quality of life index is increases when any country the physical quality of life index is increases. In any country the physical quality of life index is increases, that indicates increase in the physical quality of life of the people. Means the physical quality of life index is increases, that indicates increment in the physical quality of life of the people, right? So the per capita income is increases doesn't mean increase in the facilities like health, food, sanitation, education. Okay, when the per capita income is increases, it doesn't mean that the increment in the facilities like health, food, sanitation, and education. Okay, there has to be increase the non-income indicators like health, infant mortality rate, and whatever the indicators which we had discussion like infant mortality rate, and life expectancy, and literacy rate. So these are three indicators can be uh, calculated in terms of physical quality of life index. Okay, the per capita income is increases. This doesn't mean that in facilities like health, food, sanitation, education cannot be increases, right? So that the physical quality is better indicator, the physical quality is better indicator than physical per capita method. Okay, the physical quality of life index better indicator than per capita income method. Why? Because it studies all aspects, means whatever the in fact life expectancy and infant mortality rate and what else, literacy rate. So these three indicators can be measured in terms of physical quality of life index, right? So per capita income, it studies only increment in the per head income, means the per capita means average income increases by the each and every individual of the country. That's what we'll getting to know by calculating the per capita income. Okay, but let's look at into the physical quality of life index. It studies life expectancy and infant mortality rate and literacy rate. So three aspects can be understand by measuring the physical quality of life index. Okay, that's why physical quality of life index is better indicator than per capita income method. Okay, next to look at into the human development index. Human development index in 1990s, the Mahbub ul Haq Pakistan economist introduced human development index. Later it was developed by Amartya Sen. Amartya Sen, he was a Nobel laureate in 1998, the study on welfare economics. Okay, next, HDI is the modern indicator of economic development. HDI is the modern indicator of economic development, and HDI is the statistical tool used to measure a country's overall achievement in its socio-economic dimensions, right? So HDI is the statistical tool used to measure a country's overall achievement in its social and economic dimensions. So what do you mean by socio-economic dimensions? Socio-economic dimensions, which includes increment or a income for better living, education, life expectancy. Income for better living, education and life expectancy. These three methods can be calculated human development index. Okay, based on these three methods, three factors can be calculated or measure human development index. So how can we measure human development index? By using these factors like income for better living, education and life expectancy. Okay, for the let's look at into the measurement of HDI. Okay, for the construction of HDI, fixed maximum and fixed minimum values, fixed maximum, fixed minimum values, which are life expectancy at 25 years and 85 years, minimum 25 years, maximum 85 years. Okay, and adult literacy rate, adult literacy age, minimum 15 above 0 to 100, 0 to 100%, minimum 15 above age group children's or students has to be studied with the 0 to 100% can be calculated the literacy rate age rate. Okay, and combined enrollment ratio 0 to 100%, 0 to 100 combined enrollment ratio means the people who are schooling started, who are enrollment in the schools, those people 0 to 100%, minimum and maximum. And real GDP per capita, triple P, purchasing power parity means the real GDP per capita income dollars, minimum $100 and $40,000 maximum. Okay, the real GDP per capita income means purchasing power parity, $100 minimum and maximum $40,000. Okay, so these indicators, these factors can be calculated human development index. Okay, through the index may be using this formula. Human development index equals actual value minus minimum value, actual value minus minimum value by maximum value minus minimum value. Okay, human development index equal actual value minus minimum value by maximum value minus minimum value. Okay, these formula can be measure HDI, means human development index. Okay, this formula can be used to measure the economic development of HDI. Okay, so this is what human development index. Okay, it's at present India it's around 130 HDI rank compared. So first it is Norway, and India rank is around 130. So if you compare with HDI rank India with the neighboring countries like Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Pakistan, India is very poor. India is very poor. So Bangladesh and Sri Lanka is better than India. So that's what human development index. So these are the indicators which can be measured by the to the economic development, which are national income, per capita income, and real national income, physical quality of life index, and human development index. So these are the 5 indicators today we are getting to know indicators of economic development. Okay, I hope you all clear. If you like this, please like and subscribe. Thank you, one and all.